Between parenting and performing, Meghan Trainor juggles a busy life. Now she's retraining Laundry Day with Arm & Hammer. We caught up with her to learn more.
I'm so excited to partner with Arm & Hammer Laundry brand to help people reimagine and retrain their laundry routines. As someone who's trying to be eco-conscious and values simplicity, I love how Power Sheets laundry detergent makes doing laundry easier and eliminates plastic bottle waste. Power Sheets is for anyone looking for a mess-free, convenient way to tackle laundry, whether you're at home or you're on the go.
That's why Meghan loves simple solutions, especially as she balances motherhood and a music career.
With my busy lifestyle and having a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, life gets crazy. That's why I appreciate brands like Arm & Hammer Laundry for caring and thinking about us parents. You know, we're busy. We just want to throw that Power Sheet in.
While simplicity is key, Meghan is also passionate about making sustainable choices that help reduce waste.
I'm always looking for products that are effective and help reduce waste. And as a mom of young children, convenience is key. It's top priority. But I also want to make sure I'm doing my part to help protect our planet for the future generations.
As part of the campaign with Arm & Hammer, Meghan reimagined one of her songs to bring fun to Laundry Day.
Arm & Hammer Laundry and I collaborated on making these lyrics really fun. It's a spin on my song Been Like This, and we turned it into Toss Like This because you take these Power Sheets and all you have to do is toss it in. Forget about it. It'll clean all your clothes. It's amazing. And it was the most fun I've ever had shooting anything, dancing around, doing laundry, and singing to a different version of my song.
Find Arm & Hammer Power Sheets at Walmart and on Amazon.